Welcome to the training video on how to use the Message of the Day widget. The very first thing we're going to want to do is add the Message of the Day widget to your welcome page. The way we do this is we click on the Setup menu option at the very top and then select Widgets. Next, we need to add the Message of the Day widget. Click the Add button, and then for the caption, you can type in exactly what you'd like the widget to be called. In this case, I'm going to call it Message of the Day. The Roles option here controls exactly who can see the widget in the first place. We control this by clicking the Browse button to the right. We can drag and drop the roles over to the right, and this will control who can see the widget. If we leave everybody to the left, everybody will be able to see the widget. Next, we select the actual Message of the Day widget from the type list. And then we click OK. Click OK again. This is the very first message that appears in the Message of the Day widget. Now we click on the Setup button at the very top and then click on Message of the Day. We're going to go ahead and edit the message that we already have. You can also add a new message using the Add button. Here, we can type exactly what the message is going to be about. We can control who exactly can see this particular message by dropping down the Message For field. We can control this by role or by specific user. For now, I'm just going to set it to all users. The start date controls when the message will appear. We'll select today's date. And the end date will select when the message automatically disappears. Priority controls what order the message will appear, specifically if there is more than one message for this particular role or user. Towards the bottom, you get a What You See is What You Get editor to edit the exact message you would like to appear. I'm just going to type in a quick message. Just like with a regular word processor, you can highlight specific words. You can bold, italicize, or underline them. You can change the font type. You can change the size or the color. I'm going to go ahead and set this to size 12. And I will bold John Smith. Click OK when you're done entering in your message. Then you can click OK again, and your message will appear. This was a video on how to add your very first Message of the Day widget.